I finally found a solution that actually works. It's a facial epilator. See XPRO 3.0 to be exact. Before trying this, I would always feel so hairy and self-conscious, and honestly was fed up with the endless cycle of shaving and plucking. I used to spend hours plucking out what my son likes to call my fallen eyebrow hairs. I would actually shy away from anyone getting too close to my face, just in case my secret was exposed. But with Pluxy, I don't have the constant upkeep of shaving and tweezing anymore. My skin has never felt so smooth for this long. The precision of the tweezer discs inside the epilator are able to get even the tiniest hairs on my skin. Quickly and easily plucks them all out from the root. All you need is just one treatment, and you'll be confident in your smooth skin for up to 4 weeks before needing to use it again. How crazy is that? Don't let pesky chin hair or peach